Hey guys, Richard here with e-bike reviews and adventures. Today's adventure, gonna take a quick ride on the 630 right here. Yeah, let's see. Yep, remote's in my pocket. Close the door. Yeah, the 630. Gonna show it some love. Go out and do some more riding on it. Got a review video that's gonna be coming out on that before too long, but not today. Not today. Today is about just taking it for a ride. Yeah. Oh, let's see if we can get it powered up here. Watch. Boom. There it is. Powers up real nice and fast. I like that. I like that. There we go. Whoops. Somebody lifted in reverse. What is up with that? Alright, let's go this way. We usually go the other way. Let's go this way. Alright, can you see all right? I think you can. So anyway, what's going on? So I'm getting ready for a group ride tomorrow. And I got things squared away. My buddy Ron is going. I'm going. Amanda's undecided. Don't know yet about her. She wants to go. She's planning on going, but it's going to be a little cool. She's got thin blood. She's a skinny girl, so she's like, I don't know, Dad. I don't know. So I don't know. We'll see. It's pretty nice out here right now, though. I mean, the sun's shining, nice and bright. Yeah. So let's talk about the 630 here. This is the Easy Transit. Let's see, what can I remember about the specs? We got 16-inch tires, so smaller tires, kind of thin, which is good for the hard surface. We have a thumb throttle right here on the left. We've got a red button right here that is the forward and reverse. It says D and R though, so drive and reverse maybe. And got our button pad over here. I need to move that button pad a little bit closer. It's just a little too far away. I need to make that adjustment. It's easy to do. And then we got a display down here that gives us the information we'd expect to include the temperature. It says 71 degrees. That's, I don't know, is that right? Maybe so. What's my phone say? Let me tap my phone. It's not saying anything right now. Why is that? Why are we not getting anywhere? Yeah, that's more like it. 60 degrees. What's going on? Oh, and it does change to 69. I don't know. It might be because it was sitting in the garage for a while. Maybe it takes a little while to acclimate. Don't know. There are things I know and things I don't know. And that's one of them that I just don't know. Yeah. Anyway. So, I'm not even using my throttle right now. I'm just pedaling along. I do need to check on that knock. You can probably hear it coming from the axle. Maybe I need to ask 630 if they know what that is, why it does that. It's just a clunk, 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 clunk. I don't know if it's the axle, you know, the differential. It's a little noisy. Let's see here. The 630, it's got a folding stem. It's got an adjustable handlebar, so you can raise it up taller if you need it, or lower it some if you need to. Plus, it folds down here at the bottom, so it makes this trike a little more compact. It is a folding trike, so you can make it a little bit smaller, a little bit easier to handle if you need to transport it. There's been a lot of discussion here recently. I've seen online about folding bikes, folding trikes. And for the most part, you know, a folding bike, folding trike, it's, you know, they're still kind of heavy, still kind of cumbersome, kind of hard to manage and work with. people are buying these things, and what just happened there? Something just acted a little weird. Anyway, so they buy, you know, these folding bikes and trikes, and you know, with expectation that, oh, I'm just going to be able to just pick this thing up and just put it in the trunk of my car and go to the park or whatever. And then they get it and they realize, you know, this is still a 70-pound bike or trike or whatever. And, you know, I fold it up and it's a different size. I mean, it's a different shape, but it's still really large and kind of hard to pick up with one person. And then they're disappointed. And so, I don't know. They have their purpose. You know, there's a purpose for them, but a bunch of landscapers. I think we're going to turn around right here. Stay away from them. Stay away from the noise. Yeah, so, you know, I mean, the idea of a folding trike sounds good. Trike or bike. Until you get it, and then a lot of people realize that, yeah, it just wasn't necessary. Doesn't really take up less space when folding it up, and I don't know, it's still heavy, same weight. Let's see here, what else? So I still trying to break in these or bed these brakes in a little bit. Still got a little bit of a squeak to them. Working on that, which is fairly common with new bikes and trikes. Takes a little time to get them worn in so the brake pads match the disc. So yeah, let's go out here on our little country road. Oh, a little busy out here on a little country road. Cars in both directions. We got a buzzard in the middle of the road. We'll wait for him, wait for this guy. Yeah, hello. There he goes. Oh, that buzzard just flew. All right. We'll just throttle around here for a little bit. Go ahead and put it up in the pedal assist 5. Just giving us about 16 miles per hour. Let's see. In comparison, you have the electric XP, which top speed is 14. The Mooncool, oh my goodness, I didn't forget the Mooncool. Mooncool I think is 20. Or is it 16? Huh. I don't ride Mrs. Adventure's Mooncool very much, and now I done forgot the specs on that one. 16 or 20, I don't remember. And then you have the Ad Motor 310, which I have, and it does 20. A lot of people say that's way too fast for a trike. Well, maybe too fast for you, but other people perfectly satisfied with a speedier trike, as long as they can do it safely. Yeah, I mentioned that in my video, was it yesterday or the day before, when I was out riding the Yoda bike, the cargo bike, because a lot of cargo bikes are limited to 20 miles an hour because they know you're going to have people and cargo, and they the manufacturer doesn't want you to go very fast. But the reality is, you don't always have people, you don't always have cargo, and maybe you want something that goes the legal speed limit. And a lot of areas, that legal speed limit is 28. So the Yoda bike, they allow you to make it go 28. Actually, it goes a little bit faster than 28. It goes 30. And that's with, my body weight. Yeah, so, I don't understand. if the bike will go up to the legal speed limit of 28, then let the rider decide if they want to go 28 or not, you know? Don't make that decision for them. That's my philosophy anyway. A little too fast to be trying to pedal. Got some ghost pedaling going on. Ooh, chilly though. Oh my goodness. Now at the down here it's adjusted after we've been out for a little bit. It's down to 64 is what it's showing. I believe it's that, if not colder. Especially with the wind chill, with that wind blowing. It's burr cold, as we call it here. How cold is it? It's burr cold. Yeah. Oh well. I just had to get out and ride a little bit. Been busy doing other things and had the itch to get out and cruise around a little bit. This front brake is the noisiest one. The back ones aren't so noisy. It's just really noisy. Gotta work on that. My brakes need to be adjusted a little bit again too. Yeah, they're still a little soft. I can get them almost all the way back to the, or I can get them to the handlebars, so I need to adjust those. I haven't done it yet. One of those things, you know, gotta do, haven't done. All right, well, hey guys, you know what? This was intended to be just a quick little ride for my benefit, but I decided to bring you along. Maybe it was boring, maybe it wasn't, I don't know. You let me know down below. Was it boring? Yeah, it may have been. Didn't have anything specific to talk about other than a little bit about the 630, but I'm going to call it done and go on back. So, you guys, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. And maybe stick around and watch this video right here.